for you to come to Pinterest.com. So you need an account right there to actually be able to run ads. So after getting to Pinterest.com, what you need to do is click on here which says sign up. But first you need to create a Pinterest business account. So click on business right here, and it's going to take you to another page right here, because you're going to be using the Pinterest business account to actually run ads basically. So come right here where it actually says sign up, then actually sign up for a Pinterest business account. It's going to take you here, and as you can see, it says grow your business, get in front of 400 million people looking to buy me. What you need to do is just put in your email address, put in your password, select your birth date, put in your date of birth right here, and click on here which says create account. But if you have an existing account, you can just log into the existing account. So after creating your Pinterest account, you'll be asked to pick lots of topics that you're actually interested in. For example, soccer, fashion, vehicles, home decorations, interior design, memes, and you can select as much as you want right there. And afterwards you can now click on here right there, and it's gonna take you right to somewhere here. So afterwards it's going to take you to the Pinterest homepage right here that you guys are actually seeing. Before you can run Pinterest ads, basically first you need to create a pin like this right here, after which you create a pin, then you can now promote the pin right here using the Pinterest ads platform here. So first what you need to do is click on create, then it's going to bring you to where you're going to create the pin that you want to promote basically on Pinterest. So you need to upload whatever file it is, and if it's actually a video file as well, which is an MP4 format, you can upload it right here as well. So if you don't know how to create a Pinterest pin right here, what you can do is come to canva.com, create an account right here with Canva, then come right here at the search bar, put in Pinterest, just put in Pinterest pin right here. Afterwards it's going to bring in all this stuff right here, so just click on anyone basically that you want to create right here using the Canva platform. So it's going to bring something like this. So I'm just going to download this right here immediately to my computer, but you can actually create a blank template. That's if you want to design everything basically from your hand. You can just design whatever it is that you want to promote on Pinterest using this Canva interface right here. I'm going to be using this as an example basically. So after designing, download to your computer or to your smartphone, whatever device that you're using, click on download and click on here which says download. So it's going to actually save it to your computer. It's going to download and save it to your device right there. Then afterwards you can head on to Pinterest right there, then click on here, then select the file basically. Select the file and you're gonna find something like this obviously. So what you want to do is add a title to whatever it is that you're trying to promote right here on Pinterest. So you need to put in description, add a link right here. You need to add a link. For example, if you're trying to promote a product, so you need to put a link where people can actually go to after they click on the pin basically. So you need to put a link right there afterwards. So what I'm gonna do is, for example, I'm gonna put my link right here. It could be your affiliate link, it could be your affiliate link, and also it could be a link to the website where you want people to actually go to after they click on this pin creative right here. So I'm just gonna place an affiliate link right there, then afterwards I'm gonna scroll down right here. So afterwards you need to put in tags right here. So I'm just gonna put in the tag. So after adding reasonable tags, because you need to add tags, so after adding tags to relating to the product that you want to promote or to the pin that you want to promote, what you need to do is click on here which says publish right there, and once you click on publish, you're going to see below where it actually says your pin has been published right here. So what I'm going to do is, for you to actually find the pin that you've created right here on Pinterest, you need to go to your profile right here. Afterwards you click on created pins and you're gonna find your pin right here. So what you want to do next is to create a Pinterest business account. So if you actually have a Pinterest account and you want to convert to a business account, what you need to do is come right here and click on convert to business account. But if you actually created a business Pinterest account, there's no need to I'll go through the step of converting, because already you know you have a business Pinterest account. So this is the advantage where you get for creating a Pinterest account. As you can see right here with the Pinterest personal account right here, you will only be able to share ideas with images or videos, but you will not be able to run ads. You can manage your insights and analytics that shared, and as well you can say promotion. So this is what you get to gain for creating a Pinterest business account. You're gonna be able to promote, you're gonna be able to track insights, and it's right here. So next step is for you to click on upgrade right here, so you can upgrade to Pinterest business account right here, and it's gonna ask you lots of questions. For example, it's gonna say describe your business right here, so you can just select anyone that best describes you. So I'm just gonna click on here, and then I'm gonna click on the next button down below right here to proceed. So they're gonna ask lots of questions for you to choose a business name. So you need to choose a business or brand name right here, and you need to put in your website. But if you don't have a website, you can just click on this option. Then afterwards, you click on next right there on your screen. So after inputting your brand name, next step is to click on next right there, and it's gonna ask you to select your business goals right here. So just click on this, increase online sales, select as well. Click on where it says drive traffic to your site. You can click on this as well, and you can find lots of stuff right here. If you want to create content on Pinterest to grow an audience right there, you can click on this. If you want to generate more leads, you can click on this and select anyone that you actually want right here. So I'm gonna click on here, it says the stuff right here, then where it says what was the focus of your brand right here. So I'm just gonna look for where it says so you can select anyone that best describe your brand. I'm just gonna click on other right here. I'm gonna click on other right here. So afterwards, it's gonna ask I'm interested in running ads on Pinterest right here. Just like I said, you can only run Pinterest ads if you have a Pinterest business account. And right here, you see where it actually says yes, I'm interested in advertising right here. So click on this, then you click on done right here basically. So after clicking on done, what will happen is it's gonna bring you to this point right here where it will ask you lots of questions right here, reach more people. So you can click on anyone you want basically, but I'm just gonna click off this one right here at the top. So it's gonna take me right here to the business hub right here of Pinterest right here. So as you can see clearly, Pinterest is actually telling you that what you need to do first is to create pins right here. So you need to create pins, and you can see it says turn them into ads later. So the first step to running Pinterest ads right here is to create pins that you want to promote, then later on you can actually convert them into Pinterest ads right here. So you can see right here. So afterwards you can click on create ad, but since we've actually created a Pinterest pin before, I'm just going to click on create ad right there, and it's going to bring this product basically. So I'm just going to select it right here. So I'm just going to click on next below right here on the screen. I'm going to click on next, and it's going to bring me right here. So this is my destination URL. So when someone actually clicks on this, it's going to take them right here, which is exactly the URL that I actually provided when I was creating out this pin. And you can see right here it says potential monthly audience size is 85 million people will be able to see this pin right here every single month right here. So daily budget right here, you need to set your amounts right here. For example, if I want to spend $5 every single day, I'm just gonna put in $5. And if you want the ads to run for 10 to 15 days or more, you can specify right here. So afterwards you scroll down here and you can see it says targeting, reach more pinners, which is actually recommended by Pinterest. So you can select this one as well right here. So I'm just going to leave it as it is right here. So you can see right here, this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to click on this as well. So this is how it's going to look like on desktop, but on smartphones, this is how it's going to look like. So afterwards, I'm going to click on here which says promote. So click on promote basically, and after clicking on promote, it's going to bring you here where it says add account information, which is required. It says your ad will not serve until you provide your ad account information. So what you need to do is put in your business name right here, put in your phone number, put in your address line, and you can see right here it's optional to put in your phone number, so you can skip that option right here. But you need to put in your address, you need to put in your city, you need to select your zip or postal code right here, put in your state right here, and also you need to put in your VAT number basically. So you can have afterwards you can click on save, and eventually It's going to take you to where you get to put in your debit card right here to pay for the ads. So I'm going to click